Ashley at the Global Women in STEM Summit 2025. We are out here at Weston Buckhead having the best time. Today we talked about resilience. Today we talked about what is your superpower. Today we got to learn about mentorship versus sponsorship. And it was just a wonderful, wonderful conference, meeting other women, learning about new companies, new people, new organizations that are up and coming. So it was such an honor and privilege to speak here on behalf of All Things STEM with Ashley today. Tune in for more info tomorrow and part 2. See you from All Things STEM with Ashley. Thank you for coming to Mats and Matcha, our first women's wellness event ever. We wanted to reset, refocus, and recharge for the upcoming year. Thank you for coming. Hi everyone, I'm Ashley Jeter, the founder of All Things STEM with Ashley. We focus on mentorship and professional development and highlighting minorities in STEM and their career success. Today I'm at the Inspire STEM Summit with the NSBE DFW team, and I got to facilitate a workshop on lava lamps, teaching the students about density, carbon dioxide, and different reactions, and it was a wonderful time.